What's up, guys? I'm Alvin Cailan from The Burger Show, and today we're making the smash burger. This is my favorite burger to make at home. You only need a cast iron skillet, meat, bun, and a spatula, and you're good to go. All you gotta do is make a meatball, season it with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Next, you have a nice and hot cast iron skillet. It's a cold piece of meat, so when you put it on a high heated pan, it creates a crust right away. Add a little bit of melted butter here. You get the ball seasoned side down, right onto the griddle, and you give it a little smash like that. Smash it down to about a ½ inch thick. We'll season this side, a little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper. You wanna move the butter around and then flip it over. At this point is when I add cheese. This right here is exactly where you want your cheese to be. And once you throw this lid on, that cheese will continue to melt. Now you got the perfect smash burger.